Hi, Dirt Farmer Jay here from DirtFarmerJ.com. Don't you love having a garbage disposal? Most homes have them now, but they can really stink when food starts to build up in them, or mildew or fungus or all the baddies of bacteria get down there and they can really stink. Well, there's a great, easy, inexpensive, readily available solution. Stay tuned and I'll tell you all about it. Hey, Dirt Farmer Jay here from DirtFarmerJ.com. Having a garbage disposal is almost a necessity today. They get a lot of abuse though, and there's a couple things I'd mention really quickly about making sure that you use your garbage disposal correctly. First of all, never run them dry, always have liquid running with them. Secondly, avoid putting hot grease down them. A lot of people heat up grease, pour it down with hot water thinking they've got it gone. The problem is the grease cools off further down the pipe and can really clog things up. So avoid putting grease in them. Instead, put them in a can, put them in your regular garbage stream or out to the garbage can, capped that way. Other than that, there are some really inventive ways that people have used to de-stinkify the garbage disposal. Our friends Bruce and Diane, what they do is used up past their prime lime that they have in their refrigerator. They cut it up in chunks and using a little bit of water, grind it up in the garbage disposal, rinse it down, and the citric acid does a marvelous job in cleansing. And there's other products you can buy right from the store that are used to deodorize the garbage disposal. But our all-time favorite is a great product you've seen many times over, and that is borax. The 20 Mule Team borax product is a laundry product, and it actually has several home uses, both in the laundry, general cleaning, plumbing, all sorts of things. But it does a bang-up job in deodorizing the garbage disposal. And no, in case you're wondering, this is not a paid endorsement. Nobody paid us, nor was any product provided to us. It's just a great solution we really like. So here's how it works. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to come over here to our sink. And boy, if I sniff down in there, it's getting pretty rank. It's been a little while since it's been cleansed. So here's what we're going to do really quickly. We're going to use about 1/4 cup of borax to do this, but here's the step-by-step on how to make it work. First thing you're going to do is turn on the water a little bit and just simply turn on the garbage disposal to spread around all the moisture in there, then shut that off. Then you're going to use about 1/4 cup of borax, and you're just going to pour that in here. And then take this and simply dump it in the center of this, and you can coat some on the flaps that are around there also, the anti-splash flaps. And go ahead and get that in there. Now, instead of just leaving it there, go ahead and just give that just a little bit of water like that. And then what we're going to do is pulse it. I'm just going to turn on for a second, and I'm going to do it one more time. And what that has done is spread around all the product and all the parts down there and put a little bit down the drain. Now let's wait an hour and let's come back and see the results. Okay, so an hour has transpired. Let's see what we've got. Already, I can't detect any odor, but let's go ahead and clean out the borax. So what I'm going to do is just turn on a little bit of water, rinse the anti-splash flaps right there, and let's just go ahead and run the garbage disposal to run the product down the drain. We'll go ahead and shut it off, and I'm going to scent it one more time. I'm going to I got nothing. It smells like nothing. It just smells like the day it was installed. So it really, really works. This product is also usable for other things, and we'll give you another video at a later date on how to use it in the laundry. Hint, it can actually be used as a substitute for color-safe bleach, and it's also a water softener. It's a natural mineral, so it really works really well. Do you have a problem with your front loader washer stinking? Is it build up and doesn't seem to matter what you do to wash it out? You can't get it clean? Well, have we got a solution for you? Check out this video where nearly 2 million viewers have looked and seen a great answer how to stop the stink. And if you find this video to be helpful, won't you like it? And better yet, subscribe. And when you do, ring the bell so you'll be notified of brand new videos approximately every Friday. And check us out at dirtfarmerj.com and our store as well there. Thanks for tuning in. Until the next time, Dirt Farmer J from dirtfarmerj.com.